Hi, I'm Dan Odess. I'm a public insurance adjuster. And one of the things that I do as a public insurance adjuster is I teach people how to maximize their home insurance claim. And that's what this segment's about. How to maximize your home insurance claim. Rule of thumb, collect first and then rebuild. Most people do it backwards. They start to rebuild and then they collect. It's one of the most important pieces or most important advice that I can probably give you is collect and then rebuild. Your insurance policy requires you to protect your property and to mitigate your damages. What does that mean? What does that mean to you? That means protect your property from further damage. Fix the pipe, stop it from continuing to leak, call 911, have the fire department out there to put out the fire. So important things to remember here. Collect and then rebuild. Don't rebuild and then collect, only mitigate. Mitigating as per your policy and what the insurance company requires you to do is stop it from getting worse. So keep in mind, as you move through the insurance process, the insurance company is going to send out what are called independent adjusters or company insurance adjusters. Independent adjusters and company adjusters legally represent the interest of the insurance company. One of the other things you can do is you can hire one of me, a public insurance adjuster. A public insurance adjuster represents your interest. And what a public insurance adjuster does is he goes out there and actually does an assessment on your behalf for the full value of your loss. They put together your estimate, your scope of your damages. They work with your insurance companies to make sure they negotiate your final settlement. So keep in mind, your settlements are negotiable. So whether you do or don't hire a public insurance adjuster to represent your interest, make sure that you keep in mind, just like buying a car, you're selling your damages to your insurance company. Work with them, negotiate, be totally cooperative with them. The more fuss and aggravation you cause for them, the harder and longer it's going to take for you to get paid. So fully cooperate. Document everything. If you talk with someone on the phone, if they email you, go get a manila folder or a folder of any kind. Start sticking those documents in there. Collect all your invoices and receipts because your policy also requires you in the event of any loss, for you to collect all your invoices and receipts for your damages. This is Dan Odess for eHow. Thanks for watching.